Good morning, viewer. Bienvenue here. Here's some breaking news. Yeah, Sambhar town is near Fulera, 71 kilometers away from Rajasthan's capital Jaipur. The lake here is once again in the news. The reason is Sambhar Lake has become the graveyard of 520 migratory birds. 235 birds have been injured too. The water of Sambhar Lake, located at an altitude of 1200 feet above sea level in Jaipur rural district in also salty. It is the largest saltwater lake in India. It is also known as Sambhar Salt Lake. Hundreds of birds come every year to migrate to Sambhar Lake, spread over a total area of 5,702 square kilometers in the Aravalli mountain range, which often become a victim of death here. According to wildlife experts, 85 species of birds from different countries come to Sambhar Salt Lake every year. The prominent ones among them are tamnik, noble duck, bird sandpiper, lizard sandplover, northern chevalier, common teal, northern petal, malahai, black brown headed ghoul, palace ghoul, grey plover, crested lark, etc. Apart from this, Sambhar Lake is also a big habitat for native birds too. On 9th November 2024, there was news of the death of 520 birds in Sambhar Lake, whereas in November 2019, 18,000 native and foreign birds died an untimely death in Sambhar Lake. The then Ashok Gehlot government had also set up an inquiry committee in the matter, but the result was zero. Talking to news agency NI, Nawan SDM Jitu Kulahari said that in the year 2019, birds died on a large scale in Sambhar Lake. After this, we planned that no sick or dead birds should be left in Sambhar Lake, so that this disease does not spread to other birds. 10 teams were sent to Sambhar Lake every day. Till date, 520 birds have been found dead and 235 injured. The forest department team is treating the injured birds in Nawan and Midri hospital. BN's exclusive report.